Hey everyone, welcome back to our 5-week bootcamp. In the last video, we went over the theory of control flow statements in Java. We broke down the if-else and switch statements, and I hope you have got a solid understanding of how they work and when to use them. If you missed that video, make sure to check it out first, as today we are jumping right into the practical applications of those concepts. In today's session, we are going to dive deeper into control flow statements and see how to use them effectively in real world scenarios. Whether you are building algorithms, handling user input, or designing system logic, understanding how to make decisions with your code is essential. We will focus on if else and switch statements and put them to test in some technical examples. Ready? Let's get coding. We will start with a simple age verification system for a registration process. The system checks if the user is 18 or older. If the user meets the age requirement, they are eligible to register. System eligible. Else, if they are under 18, they are not eligible. This is a typical use of if else to make binary decisions yes or no, pass or fail. You will come across these kinds of checks a lot, whether it's for eligibility, permissions, or access control in various systems. Here we have to define a variable. When I run this with age 19, int age equals to 19. So here age is equal to 19. So it prints eligible as 19 is greater than 18. Now if you change age to 16, let's run and see. So the output is not eligible. Why? Because 16 is less than 18. Now let's consider a fan control system that adjusts the fan speed based on temperature. Let's comment this. If the temperature is 30 or more, the fan runs at high speed. So if it is greater than 30 temperature, fan speed high. If it's between 20 and 29, the fan runs at medium speed. So let's keep it in else block. Sorry, else if. So if it's lower than 20, the fan runs at low speed. So let's keep it in else block. The system uses if else to make decisions based on ranges of values, which is common in temperature based systems, climate control, and other environment systems. Let's run this code temperature 28. So let's define int temperature equals to 28. Let's print and see what's the result. So here the temperature is 28 we gave. So it is 28. 28 is greater than 20, but it is less than 30. So it's printed fan speed medium. Now let's change the variable to 35 and print it. So here we can see fan speed is high. Why? Because 35 is greater than 30. So it printed if block. Finally, let's look at more structured example, a menu system for simple console based student management application. Let's comment this. Finally, let's look at more structured example, a menu system for a simple console based student management application. Each case represents a different menu option that the user can select. Case 1. When user choose choice 1, it will print add new student. Case 2. If user chooses case 2, it prints view student details. The switch checks value of choice which correspond to the user input and then performs the associated action. Now case 3. If user chooses case 3, delete student record. Likewise, case 4. If user chooses case 4, just exit it. If user inputs an invalid choice, the default case will handle the error. So let's keep default case invalid option. Please try again. This example shows the strength of switch when you need to handle a set of specific fixed values like menu choices or command options. Let's run the code with choice 2 and see what it will print. So you choose a choice 2, so it printed view student details as we are keeping in case 2 view student details. Now let's change choice 5 and print and see what it will print. So as user chosen choice 5, so here it will come to default and it will print invalid option. Please try again as we have only 4 options in menu. That's it for today's practical session. We have walked through a variety of examples that demonstrate how if-else and switch work in real-world scenarios. From age verification system and fan control system to menu system. Here is a quick recap. If-else is your go-to when you need to check a series of conditions or ranges. Switch is perfect for checking a single variable against multiple fixed values. These control flow statements are fundamental to building logical, efficient systems, and you will use them all the time in your software development projects. Thanks for joining me in this session at Let's Code and Achieve. If you found this practical breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you want to more examples or if you have any questions. Keep coding and I will see you in the next video.